Hello guys, welcome back to another short video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to place image in text. So as you already can see here, we have image in text. So this is the text we are going to use for this tutorial. I'm going to get my image from this workspace. You can press Command C or Control C to copy, bring it to this workspace over here, and then you press on Command or Control C to ensure you zoom in or you transform your picture to fit very well for this text that we are going to use. So this is how it's going to be for the text. Right, so now that we have our text or our image nicely on our text, we are going to come to this side and then we go to create clipping mask. Don't forget create clipping mask. You ensure it fits perfectly into the text and you are good to go. So now we have the first one done. You duplicate the image and then you bring it here to the second one, press the side, create clipping mask, and then you are good to go. So this is basically how to put image in text. I hope this video helped a beginner or even a pro out there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.